Advance to the topic of interest via the menu in the description below. Screw a payload container on top for CANSAT or other application. Screw an expansion chamber on top to increase volume. Connect spliced rocket sections together. Additional items needed: half-liter and 1-liter soda bottles, 1-inch rubber washer, 25-cent US coin or equivalent size, and StratoCoupler. Insert washer into the middle of the StratoCoupler. Lightly screw the StratoCoupler onto the StratoRocket. Place the coin on top of the washer. Screw the payload container snugly on top of the coin. Screw the StratoCoupler very tight onto the StratoRocket. Pressure test to make sure there are no leaks. Adjust the rubber washer and coin if it is leaking. Cut a door into the side of the compartment to add the payload. Make a fall-away nose cone from a 1-liter bottle to place on top. Parachute required to bring the payload back to Earth without crashing. The chute release device will reliably accomplish this recovery. Additional items needed: 2 1-liter, 1.5, or 2-liter soda bottles, 2 O-rings, and StratoCoupler. Slide O-ring on StratoCap to first lip. Slide O-ring on soda bottle to first lip. Screw StratoCoupler snug onto StratoRocket. Screw the bottle on top as an expansion chamber. Do not exceed 120 psi when using an expansion chamber. A weighted fall-away nose cone made from a second bottle is required. Backgliding recovery may work, but a parachute is recommended. Additional items needed: 2 or more spliced sections, StratoCoupler, and 2 O-rings. Slide O-ring on spliced section threads to first lip. Slide O-ring on other spliced section threads to first lip. Screw StratoCoupler snug onto spliced section bottle threads. Screw other spliced section on top to increase volume. Wear hearing protection when pressurizing spliced rockets. A parachute is required for spliced rockets.